It's Christy Alley, and today we are making stuffed bell peppers. Hi, hello, and welcome to my show. So today we are actually going to make stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey instead of sausage or beef. This is one of my favorite foods. It's definitely something that I used to make a lot, but with ground beef, and so I'm excited to see how it tastes with ground turkey. Excuse the crazy noises coming from this kitchen. And for this recipe, we are doing 1 pound of ground turkey. It's the 99% lean, so it's only got 1% of fat, so we're not even gonna have to drain it or anything like that, which is great because we don't want to lose our seasonings. Anyway, for this recipe, we are preheating our oven for 375 degrees. Okay. We need 1 tablespoon of our avocado oil to brown the ground turkey in. So we've got our 1 tablespoon, and we have our Food Club avocado oil. Alright. That 1 tablespoon's there. Now we're gonna let that heat up. It's on medium high. And then typically it is really easy to break up ground turkey, but I still slice it anyway before I drop it in, just because we like things to be quick and painless relatively, usually. I have sliced it up, sliced up the bed, and it's about what it's gonna look like. It's the Jenny O brand. Now this is gonna have about 120 or so calories, maybe 150, something like that, in the ground turkey. We're gonna be seasoning it with our onion powder today. It's gonna be probably about 2 tablespoons of that, and then we are going to use our vodka cream sauce instead of marinara, just because why not, it's better. And then we're also going to use our 2% milk shredded fine mozzarella cheese. We've got colorful peppers because they were cheaper that way. Crazy, right? We have cauliflower rice as well. I've actually never made cauliflower rice before, but this is what we're using. Typically, oh, it's hard. I'm gonna make it on the stove top, but this one is a steam fresh, so you can really microwave it for about 9 minutes, depending on your wattage. I have no idea what my wattage is. Is this with the side up, right? Yeah. We're gonna take our ground turkey and just plop it. Okay, so we're gonna let this brown for about half the time it takes to cook it. It takes about 8 minutes or so to cook it all the way brown. So for 4 minutes in, we will season it. We're going to use the onion powder, and then honestly, probably season it with some more stuff too. So we'll see. And then we are going to dip up in there like so. While that is finishing up, we are going to measure everything out for our mixture. So we're going to do 1 cup of the mozzarella sauce mixed with the turkey, as well as 1 cup of the vodka cream, and whenever cauliflower rice is done, we'll add that as well. So I've got the turkey over here on the front eye warming up, and let's get this measure cup. First, let's measure out this cheese. All right, we've got our cup of mozzarella. I'm gonna set that measuring cup to the side, and we are going to stir up our cheese and vodka sauce concoction. Oh, it smells so good, I just want to eat it now. It's been stirred. Extra cheese has been tasted. Alright. You always want to be extremely careful when you are opening your cauliflower, rice, or anything steamed for that matter, because it's going to be hot as hell. And we are going to try our best to do this evenly. And as you can see, here's the stuffed results. And then we've got a little extra that we'll probably just serve on the side, like. Okay, so we've got my timer set for 23 minutes. Once the timer goes off, we're gonna put about an 1/8 cup or so of cheese on top, the best we can, of course. And then we are going to put it back in for the remaining probably about 15 minutes. I have some mid-sized peppers, so it's gonna take probably a little more than 30 minutes. It really just depends on the size of your peppers. The timer has gone off, so it's time to take them out. The sauce has like discolored the meat, and obviously I could have fit more meat in here, but we're adding the cheese anyway. Okay. I've left the cheese sitting on the counter, so it's more room temperature now, and that would just lay down so nice. My fiance's is the big one, even though yellow is my favorite color. I love it, so plus it's the biggest one, so I can film. So we're gonna put it back in for about 15 minutes would be 40, so 10 minutes, and then probably 5 more minutes. Excuse my window here, but here they go. Aren't they gorgeous? Well, that wraps up today's video. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you tried this recipe and if you liked it, as well if you have any ideas of some recipes that I can do in the future. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.